Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today is an update for sa ongoing project natin dito sa Iloilo. Today, January 27, 2025, 1:50 ng hapon. Ito yung two-story residential. Nasa foundation tayo ngayon. Right. So, yung mga boys natin napuyat sa Dinagyang. So, konti lang silang bumalik, apat lang. But now, nasa excavation phase tayo. Yan o. So, we are preparing for the tie beams. Right? Bukas mag-form works na tayo tie beams. Habang hinuhukay itong dalawang column na lang kulang. Right? So, yan ang column na kinuha nila at mayroon pa dito isa, may cover. So this is a two-story house located in Leganes. So if you are planning na magpa-build ng bahay, pwede kami dyan. You can contact us. Okay, so we can make estimate or design and build para sa sa bahay nyo. Alright? So, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for this update. Thank you for watching.